PESTEL becomes powerful when we stop asking what factors exist and start asking which macro forces are changing the rules of the game. Let us take artificial intelligence as an example. AI is not just a technological trend, it is a macro environmental force. It changes how companies produce services, how customers expect value, how employees work, how governments regulate data, and how competitors create advantage. In the IT services sector, AI is already changing the traditional model. For many years, IT services companies built large parts of their business around labor-intensive work, coding, maintenance, testing, support, process outsourcing, and consulting delivery. But generative AI and agentic AI are now automating parts of this work. Gartner forecast worldwide generative AI spending to reach $644 billion in 2025, a 76.4% increase from 2024, showing how rapidly AI is moving from experimentation to serious organizational investment. This does not mean every IT company will disappear, but it does mean that companies relying heavily on traditional labor arbitrage models may face serious pressure. Routine coding, support, documentation, testing, and back-office tasks can increasingly be automated or augmented. The strategic question is no longer, can we deliver IT services efficiently? The deeper question is, can we reinvent our business model fast enough for an AI-enabled world? A good example is Accenture. Accenture is not being destroyed by AI. In fact, it is trying to use AI as a growth engine. Its 2025 shareholder materials reported that revenue from generative AI and agentic AI tripled from fiscal year 2024 to $2.7 billion, and the company linked this to an earlier multi-year $3 billion investment in generative AI. But that same example shows why PESTEL matters. AI is forcing even successful consulting and technology firms to redesign capability, talent, service delivery, training, pricing, and client value propositions. So let us apply PESTEL to a technology services company facing the rise of AI. Politically, governments are investing in AI capability while also debating regulation, national security, data sovereignty, and responsible AI. This affects where companies can operate, how they manage data, and what services they can safely offer. Economically, clients are under pressure to reduce costs and increase productivity. If AI can deliver faster and cheaper solutions, traditional service pricing comes under pressure. Socially, workers and customers are changing. Employees need reskilling. Clients expect faster delivery. Society is also asking difficult questions about job displacement, trust, and accountability. Technologically, AI is the central disruption. It changes software development, customer service, business analytics, consulting, cybersecurity, and knowledge work. Environmentally, AI creates both opportunities and pressures. It can improve efficiency, but large-scale AI also raises questions about energy use, data centers, and sustainability. Legally, firms must manage privacy, copyright, data protection, algorithmic bias, employment implications, and emerging AI governance requirements.